The QuietFlow Power Filter by Aqueon. Monthly maintenance. Changing the filter cartridge. Aqueon QuietFlow filter cartridges should be changed every 30 days or sooner, depending on biological load in the aquarium. A good way to tell if your filter cartridge is ready to be changed is by looking at the water height in the filter itself. The cartridge is ready to be changed when the water in the filter rises high enough to bypass the cartridge. Remove the filter lid. Lift up the bioholster tab to remove both cartridge and holster from filter. Discard used cartridge. Remove the new QuietFlow filter cartridge from the packaging, making sure you have the correct cartridge size. Medium is for the QuietFlow 10 only, and large is for the QuietFlow 20 and larger filters. Briefly rinse the new cartridge under room temperature tap water to remove excess carbon dust from the cartridge. Place cartridge into bioholster and place both back into the filter. Make sure that the front of the cartridge is facing the front of the filter. Replace the lid. Keep track of your aquarium maintenance by making a note to change the cartridge every 30 days on a nearby calendar. You can also set reminders on your phone or computer to help you remember. For more product information, visit our website at www.aqueonproducts.com.